This is Scott, an 11-year-old Siberian Husky. Scott's owner noticed that as Scott started to get older, his breathing started to change and sound like this. Scott's owner took him to the vet, where the vet did a physical exam on Scott. The only thing wrong with Scott was his respiration, which was sounding raspy and hoarse. The vet decided to mildly anesthetize Scott and use an endoscope to look at his airway. This is what he saw.
The corruption of the world, it exposes. Mind jolly cure with diseases. Mind jolly cure with diseases. I said the most dangerous diseases. I said the most dangerous diseases. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis.
The vet diagnosed Scott with laryngeal paresis, also known as laryngeal paralysis. Laryngeal paresis is a disorder in which the nerves that control the muscles and cartilage that open and close the larynx do not function properly, causing voice changes and difficulty with eating or breathing. The larynx is located in the back of the throat. Air moves from the mouth or nose through the larynx and into the trachea. Normally, the laryngeal cartilages, also known as the arytenoid cartilages, are pulled open during breathing. In laryngeal paralysis, these cartilages do not open and close properly, making it difficult for the animal to take in air normally.
And every day them a worship vanities. Then your greatest lust is jewelry.
Laryngeal paresis most commonly occurs in older large dogs. Least commonly, laryngeal paresis can occur as a hereditary condition in puppies. There has been evidence of this in English bulldogs and Dalmatians. Laryngeal paresis can also occur in cats and humans. Treatment for this condition is a surgical procedure called a laryngeal tie-back surgery. This involves putting one or more permanent sutures in place to hold the arytenoid cartilage open so that the adequate air can pass through. Most dogs do quite well after this surgery. Scott had this done and his breathing improved significantly.